What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another Rad Dad channel video, or welcome if it's your first time. Either way, very glad to have you. We're doing a really cheap and pretty easy install today. You guys saw the thumbnail, but we're going to take this regular, I don't think this was stock, but close to stock style license plate and make it lay down just a little bit further. It's not going to be completely flat, but this was around 20 bucks on Amazon. So let's roll the intro and we'll get started.
Riding down a YouTube channel, it's the Riding Down a YouTube channel, it's the Riding Down a YouTube channel, it's the Riding Down a thing that you
All right, so the link to this will be in the description, as always with everything. It does come with two little rubber adapters. One is going to be flat, which is the one we're going to be using, and then this is going to give you just a little bit more of a bump up in case you need it. Instead of what this is right now, which is about this, it should go to about here. Not a huge difference, but it should be a difference nonetheless. First step is going to be to remove the stock one. And I already did the homework for you. There's, at least on this Sportster, there are bolts, nuts under there that are, what is this, 9/16? 7/16. And then these Allens are 3/16. So, first step is going to be, boy, this is such a weird angle to be at with, I can't be in the stool anymore. All right, so first step is going to be to remove these. It's just such a weird angle to get on film at the same time. So once that's out, next step would be to get the new license plate, whichever rubber piece you decide you want, line up the holes. Gonna thread the bolts through here. It comes with new bolts, which appear to be pretty high quality, and lock nuts, nylon locking nuts. Once those are threaded through, make sure that they're all good to go. We're gonna add red Loctite before we install. Depending on what your bike has underneath there, this has like a whole thing, so we're good to use them, but they come with washers, so definitely good to use those washers. And I lied about the Loctite. I don't know why I said that. Nylon locking nuts, so that means no Loctite needed. And I highly doubt these are going to be the same size. These are probably going to be metric because it was something cheap I found on Amazon. Hey, look at that. No, it's the same 7/16. Let's see if these are the same 3/16. Wow, look at that. That's actually pretty good. Normally, when you get stuff on Amazon and it's not, OEM or whatever, it's usually metric, but these are actually pretty good. All right, once you have these good to go, put those bolts through there. Pretty low profile. It doesn't curve. It doesn't lay down all the way, but definitely a lot better than stock. So let's go ahead and put those bolts on the backside, tighten this up. There you go. Done. Really easy. Seems to be pretty good quality. Does lay down a decent amount better than that was. And if you have a stock one, which I'm pretty sure that wasn't stock, normally stock ones kind of lay straight up and they have like a whole thing with them. So if you have a stock one, that especially is going to make a huge difference. So hopefully you found this review useful. I guess it wasn't really a review. It was more of an install. And it's winter, technically, and it's still hot as heck in the garage. So stupid. Description is going to have the link for this. Subscribe, make sure you watch the other videos on this build series to see how I got this on, see how I did everything else to the bike. A lot of stuff still going on with this bike, slowly but surely dwindling down the parts bin from everything I have that I already bought for this. Make sure you like this video. It really would help me out. It helps the channel out, and I appreciate it very much. Like I said, everything in the description, including discount codes for you guys to use for killer website. Thank you guys very much for watching, and until the next time, ride safe, have fun, Dad out.